Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to hide a photo on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply I'm just hide a photo. So look here, I'm hide this photo. Click on to three dot, press on move to secure folder. Okay, now it's hide in my gallery. And how can easily find here to hidden photo? So open your secure folder, click on to gallery, then showing here to my hidden picture. If you want to unhide, select, press on and press on to move out of secure folder. When I press on, then it's remove from here and add again my photo gallery. So that's it.